Okay. Right now, all our students are electrical from third semester.
Sir, some students are still waiting for joining the class.
Some are still waiting. Good thing. They have not find any in the waiting list. Just can you tell me a name who are waiting in the? I just
Sir, Ashish Kumar Paswan.
Paswan. No, they are not. Okay, so Amar Kumar from lateral entry, na?
Yes, sir.
Om Radha,
Yes, sir.
lateral entry.
Yes, sir.
Amar Kumar.
Yes, sir. Lateral entry, sir.
Okay. So just we continue now. Now screen is clear, very.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we are here in the short circuit test, and that means you can find out these equivalent resistance and reactance refer to the high voltage side with the help of short circuit test. Okay. So first of all, just tell me, open circuit is clear to all of you? Hello.
Yes, sir.
And short circuit, how we can connect the instrument and why we connect the high voltage side and low voltage coil just sorted. So I think is it clear to all of you? Is it not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So with the help of open circuit test, we will find the core loss resistance, that means RC, and magnetizing reactance XM. But here in the short circuit test, you can find out the equivalent resistance referred to the high voltage side and equivalent reactance referred to the high voltage side. Okay. So resistance can find out with the help of this equation, that means power divided by I square R. Okay, so power can be measured with the help of wattmeter, and the short circuit current with the help of ammeter. Okay, so if you put this value in equation, then you will get the value of equivalent resistance referred to the high voltage side. Okay, and similarly we can find out the impedance value on the high voltage side, that is nothing but voltage by current, that means short circuit voltage divided by short circuit current. Okay, student are here. No, there is the other student. So we find impedance value. Okay, that means voltage by current. So if we have impedance and resistance, then we can find out reactance value, that means a square root of ZS square minus RS square. निकाल सकते हैं? ये हम लोग कैलकुलेशन हम लोग फाइंड आउट करते हैं ओपन सर्किट एंड शॉर्ट सर्किट से. Now we just try to perform this experiment. How we can perform? How we can perform this experiment?
Sir, Ashish is not able to join.
Ashish is not able to join. Find the just I'm not find here in the waiting room. This. So there is some conflict during this period. Okay. Just wait 1 minute. Anyone have any question during the open circuit and short circuit test? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Which parameter we can find out with the help of short circuit test? So this is procedure for performing the open circuit and short circuit test. You will find out the instrument in the panel. Okay. So first one procedure is your make the proper connection by clicking the node as the instructed below. So if the wire is misplaced, click the node number to detach the node wire. Okay. So you will find out these measuring instrument, various measuring instrument, and transformer here. Okay, so transformer primary and secondary coil here. So you have to connect properly whatever the connection diagram this one. Okay, that means this one is your supply through the MCB, and this is your barrier. Okay, auto transformer, and from this auto transformer you require to measure the voltage. So just required 1 voltmeter, 1 ammeter, and 1 wattmeter. Okay, and if you connect this single phase transformer in proper manner, then you are able to get the open circuit test. So have you remembered this connection? And just we try to reconnect all these things. जितना भी पोलैरिटी है अभी जितना वाटमीटर के कॉइल के बारे में एक्सप्लेन किए थे 4 टर्मिनल यू विल फाइंड आउट हियर M L C V 4 terminal, okay, of the wattmeter, and you know that in the voltmeter and ammeter only 2 terminal, one is positive, one is negative. So can we connect this one? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So then the click check button to check connection is correct or not, and then click auto transformer to get the change in all meter, that means emitter, voltmeter, and then click to add to table button to get the reading of our open circuit transformer. Okay, then we have done open circuit transformer test, then click short button for the short circuit test and make the proper connection by clicking the node as instructed below. So if the wire is misplaced, click the node number 2 detach. So this is connection right now. And next procedure number 6 is make the proper connection by clicking the node as instructed below. So if the wire is misplaced, click the node and number 2 detach and the node wire. So just this is your instrument, and then click check button to check connection is correct or not. Then click add to table button to get the reading of our short circuit transformer. Then we have done short circuit transformer test. Then click submit button for get the result. And then we have the result in diagram form. So you maybe observe their equivalent resistance what you have find with the help of the calculation. Okay, so this is the procedure you can perform the test with the help of the simulation. So can we move to the simulation? Is it clear to all of you procedure? Hello, procedure is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Or have any problem here? So can we move for the simulation and just try to perform this experiment? So how we can connect this one? Just tell me one by one. Anyone? Just explain one by one what you observe from this panel. सबसे पहले क्या करना पड़ेगा हम लोग को? ये टोटल जो चीज हम लोग को चाहिए परफॉर्म करने के लिए ओपन सर्किट टोटल चीज यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है, कनेक्शन करना है। यहाँ पे पावर अवेलेबल है एमसीबी के थ्रू, इसको जस्ट स्विच आउट करना है। इसका पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल है या नेगेटिव टर्मिनल है? यहाँ से कहाँ जाएगा सबसे पहले? ऑटो ट्रांसफार्मर में जाएगा ना?
Yes, sir.
इसका जो पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल है एमसीबी का, उसको